If you've lived in South Louisiana long enough, you already know. This ground moves, and when the soil shifts, so does your home. For pier and beam homes, that's a problem. Your floors sit on wooden beams held up by concrete piers, and when the soil swells or shrinks, those piers can shift. That throws everything out of alignment. You might notice cracks in your walls, doors that stick, or floors that start to sag or bounce. Ignore it long enough, and those little signs can lead to rotted beams, broken supports, even major structural issues. At W.C.K, we check the entire foundation, checking the beams, piers, and moisture issues under your home. Then we go to work. Using a series of hydraulic jacks, we carefully lift the areas that have settled. Once everything's stabilized, we reinforce the structure, replacing damaged wood and installing new concrete piers for long-term support. We don't oversell, we fix what's needed, and we make sure you are on solid ground. If something feels off, let us take a look. The estimate is free, and catching it early could save you thousands down the road.